guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting earphone with us. And I have never heard about this brand, but then they wanted me to check out their latest earphones. I said, well, send you a review in it, and we have the Hammer KO earbuds. Again, KO stands for knockout. Knock the unusual. Well, that's an interesting packaging, and I thought that let's check out these earphones and let us try them out and share my first impressions about the same. So these are the Hammer KO earbuds. Let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the earphone package. First thing on the side, it's mentioned knock the unusual. On the other side, it says this comes with touch control, IPX4 water resistancy, fall free, designed for intense workouts, and at the bottom we have the pricing details. And well guys, I'm super surprised because the pricing mentions 17,995 rupees for these earphones, while they are available on Amazon for I guess 3,500 rupees. You can check out the link in description to know the exact pricing of this product. Right now it's clearly mentioned it's imported by a company from Panipat, and it's manufactured by a European company. Well, that is interesting. I mean, it's been a long time we have checked something which is from the west and not the east. So anyway, let me just open this up, open up the packaging, and check out what we get within this super high MRP product. Though I am sure the MRP makes no sense when it's mentioned as much high. But boy, this is very interesting packaging. Again, there is a plastic packaging on this area. Now that's a new thing for me, at least. Being a long time, I have checked something like that. There is a representation, some random graphic here. Anyway, moving on. Here is the box. And dude, that's honestly very big. This is my primarily earphones package. This is the Apple AirPods Pro, and this is super convenient to carry anywhere. First impression, this is huge. This is not big, this is super big. I don't think you can carry this in your pocket anyway. And first impression, everything looks big. So let me just put this aside for a minute and take a look at the package content. So first thing first, we have this little user manual which has some details on the product. So this is what you get. Let me just place this on the side. There is a section here. Let me just open this up. And inside this we have a micro USB cable, so don't put your expectations high. These days most of the brands are offering Type-C cables, but this comes with a micro USB port. So that's one step backwards, I would say. There are some QR codes for scanning, for warranty, and more details. So this makes no sense. Let me just put everything aside and take a look at these earphones. Now this is the box, the carry case, with which you get a total battery of 20 hours. But again, if you take a look at the back, you have the micro USB port, as you can see here, and on the front we have this section. It's quite hard to open. These cuts should have been better, honestly speaking. They are quite sharp here, and while you open this, these are the new earphones. So let me just pull them out. Again, these are magnetic, I guess. Not so quickly pushing in, but yes, probably after a little habit you might get an idea on that. So that's for the left and that's for the right, obviously. And I'm just trying to find some kind of light indicators. So there are no light indicators on this. On the back we have details. It's mentioned designed by Hammer in Estonia, 500 mAh output, battery capacity of this unit. So that's for this package, and these are the new earphones. Now first impressions, they are pretty good build. The build looks very good. The Hammer branding is pretty big, but then it's not clearly visible, which is again a good thing, because it won't really look like a cheap knockoff earphones. They don't really look cheap. Also, they are pretty good in terms of the build quality, and I'm happy that it has this silicone tip, because that would offer you with good wearing experience. So let me just wear it. It's a little tricky to wear these kind of earphones. Of course, once you get a habit, then they might be more easy to wear. So let me just pair it with my smartphone and then check out the other features and the audio experience on this. So let us go to Bluetooth. As you can see, I have every kind of earphones connected here to my phone. Hammer KO, and here we go. It is, yeah, I got a voice message saying that it's connected, and here we go. Let's go to Ghana, my favorite app for music. So friends, let me just quickly show you a demo of the buttons on this. I mean, it comes with an option where you just double tap and it would pause the music or play it. As you can see, it's not really responsive all the times. Yeah, now it just restarted the song. But anyway, apart from that, if I talk about the product, I mean, the fit is super good. I mean, honestly speaking, it won't fall down. So if you are into running, jogging, or outdoor activities, and if you would like to wear this while even driving your bike, then you won't have to worry that this might fall down. If I talk about the music quality, the experience is very good. The bass is also very good, and it's not high, it's not low. I mean, what you generally expect from a standard, a good earphone. In terms of overall comfort level, it's good. In terms of music, hearing experience, it's good. Overall, the product also looks good. The only complaint which I have right now is the biggest barrier is this size of the carrying case. I mean, of course you'll have to carry this because you can't just keep these in your pockets and this might get damaged in the long run. So you will have to carry this, and I generally feel that you will have to carry this in your backpack. And the packaging, I mean, this is also having very hard rough cuts. I mean, while you open this, you might see that it would be clearly visible that you would feel the cut here, especially when pushing this. So I mean that's again a product feature of, feedback, which probably in the long run the company would probably focus more on the quality of the carrying case. But then overall it comes with 20 hours of battery, which is again a good thing. And if you are looking for one of those options which are good for your outdoor activities, then I pretty much think that this isn't a bad product. I mean, you can still consider, yes, after if you're okay with these kind of features, or if you're okay with this kind of a box, because this is something which is the box for my Apple AirPods Pro. Of course you cannot compare both of these, but I'm just saying that this is something you can just carry it anywhere. So guys, overall if I talk about these earphones, they aren't bad actually for the price of around 3,000 rupees. Anything more than 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, I don't think it makes sense, because they are they should be priced at a very budget price point. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, this is a feedback. The company should have focused more on the better cuts of this carrying case, and also the size. As I mentioned earlier, these are my AirPods Pro. Yes, of course we shouldn't be comparing both of this, but if you take a look at the sizes here, this is too big and you cannot carry them in your pocket comfortably. Yes, you will have to carry it on your carry bag, carrying case, or your backpack, or any of your other bags, but this is something which is a big limitation, I feel so, because there's a lot of space which could be probably planned out in some other way, that this could have become more compact. But again, these are my thoughts, these are my impressions about the Hammer KO. Again, I have never heard about this brand in the earlier time, so if you are looking to buy one, you can buy it on your own risk. If they stay long in the industry, then maybe based on the feedback and everything, more people might be interested in buying from this brand. But these are my early impressions, the first impressions about this product. The product looks pretty good for the price point. Yes, I'm still surprised why did they put, or consider putting an MRP of around 18,000 rupees. I mean, that's too high. But again, this was my unboxing of this product. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Rap for more videos like this. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.